I'm Eirich, and I'm the supervisor of the technical service department here at Ranky Manufacturing. I've been with Ranky about 6 years now. A typical day in the technical service department here really varies from day to day depending on the time of year and the season that we're in. Some of my days are spent internationally, overseas, helping dealers that we have over there, either training in the field or in the classroom, or domestically, my team and I working with the dealers that we have here in the field and over the phone, trying to fix different issues we run across throughout the growing season. In between all of that, we work directly with the engineering department here to help develop and test new products.
How did you get started in technical services?
I worked in a few different trades over the years growing up, did a few different things, and then I finally ended up studying electronic systems in college, which then led me here to the Ranky Technical Service Department.
What are some of the most common problems you see in technical services on irrigation systems?
The most common problems that we typically run across, or that our dealers typically run across with their customers in the field, tend to be things that are due to lack of maintenance. Things such as low or flat tires, stuff like that can put extra stress on the drivetrain, which then can in turn cause those components to fail quicker or fail at some point.
How important is maintenance in extending the life of a Ranky system?
Like I just mentioned, maintenance is probably the number one cause of most of the failures that we have. Maintenance is extremely important, especially preventative maintenance. Having your systems checked over in the off season can prevent the costly downtime if you have a failure during the season, and then ultimately increase the longevity of the system itself. So,
how does someone determine which kind of pipe to use for their system?
We're a little bit different than some of our competitors. We offer multiple kinds of pipes, so sometimes it's hard to know which kind. The best thing to do is probably consult with your local Ranky dealer. Have them take a sample of your water and get it sent back in here to our engineering department. Then they'll send it off to a lab and analyze it and recommend which kind of pipe would be the best for those water conditions.
So from a technical standpoint, why is a Ranky system better than the competition?
There's a few different things that set us apart. Structurally, we have a few different ways of doing things compared to our competitors. I think most of all, though, as far as on the technology side, is our systems are a lot more intuitive and user-friendly than some of our competitors. But I think the most important thing with Ranky is that we are dealer technicians, the service technicians that we have. We have over 1,500 Ranky certified technicians throughout the world. So their knowledge and skills are above and beyond most other of our competitors.
So do you work on systems specific to a particular area or worldwide?
My team and I work on systems all over the world, anywhere from here in our backyard all the way across overseas to Australia, New Zealand, China, Africa, and everywhere in between. It's not uncommon that on a day that I'll talk or work with either through email or over the phone with dealers from multiple different countries. So,
how does technical services help engineering in the development of new products?
We work hand in hand with them throughout the whole process of developing a new product, from the initial creation of the product all the way through to the final testing and stuff before it gets released out to the public.
Where do you see the advancement of irrigation technology going in the future?
Technology in the irrigation industry is like with any other industry that has technology involved. It's rapidly changing. I'd say the biggest push right now in the irrigation industry is remote control. Growers want to be able to monitor and access their systems and control them from anywhere at any time. So I think going forward, the biggest emphasis will be on remote control and just adding more features and making it more accessible remotely for our growers.
What's some of the best advice you can give to customers to help them troubleshoot their systems?
I think probably the best advice is to keep up with preventive maintenance programs. I know a lot of our dealers offer those in the off season to kind of go through your systems and make sure you got everything's working properly and things are greased and switches and stuff have been replaced that need to be. So rather than doing their own troubleshooting at the time of a failure, I think it's better to get your local dealer involved and use the skills that they have, because it'll end up saving you money in the long run.
Now we'll go to some questions from Facebook Live. Doesn't look like we have any right now, so
Thanks for watching this month's Meet the Ranky team.